Let's discuss one of the biggest confusions that people new to the field of data science usually have. They think that all three, that is, machine learning, artificial intelligence, and deep learning, are the same. But no, they are not. I'll tell you why. Artificial intelligence is a broader concept of machines being able to carry out tasks in a smarter way. It covers anything that enables computers to behave like humans. Think of a famous Turing test to determine whether a computer is capable of thinking like a human being or not. If you are talking to Siri on your phone and you get an answer, you're already very close to it. So basically, artificial intelligence is a technique that enables machines to mimic human behavior. Now, coming to the machine learning part, machine learning is a subset or current application of AI. It is based on the idea that we should be able to give machines the access to data and let them learn from it themselves. It is the subset of AI that deals with the extraction of patterns from a dataset. This means that the machine can not only find the rules for optimal behavior but can also adapt to the changes in the world. Many of the algorithms involved have been known for decades, centuries even. Thanks to the advances in computer science and parallel computing, they can now scale up to massive data volumes. So, this was about machine learning. Now, coming over to deep learning is a subset of machine learning where similar machine learning algorithms are used to train deep neural networks to achieve better accuracy in those cases where the performance was not up to the mark. Right now, a huge impact of AI, what people refer to as Google's AI systems, they are mostly referring to Google's deep learning systems. So, some of the most important advances in artificial intelligence in the last 10 years have been happening in this small area called deep learning. So, what is data science? Data science is a completely different area that intersects with some artificial intelligence techniques, some ML techniques, but not so much with deep learning techniques. It also has other areas. Data science is basically about understanding or making sense of the data. Visualizing data is a very important aspect of data science. Data science helps answer the questions what if, and it plays a crucial role in building DL, ML, and AI systems. For this, it uses mathematical tools such as statistics, probability, linear algebra, and of course, programming. Hope this clears out any doubt that you might have regarding these fields.